Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make realistic blocks in Geometry Dash. To start, choose a basic block and apply a primary color. Then, add a second, slightly darker color for the block's edges, giving it depth. Remember to group these elements. You can use the alpha trigger to fine-tune the transparency of certain details, making them blend seamlessly. This foundational step is crucial for building a convincing three-dimensional appearance. Now, let's add more depth. Layering is key. Combine several block designs to build rich textures. Experiment with the scale tool to adjust the size of individual elements, making some larger and others smaller for visual interest. Don't forget tiny details like screws, bolts, or subtle cracks. These small additions, even if only a few pixels, significantly enhance the block's realistic feel and overall complexity. Shading and lighting are vital for realism. Imagine a light source and apply darker colors to the sides of your block that would be in shadow. Conversely, use lighter, brighter colors for highlights on the illuminated surfaces. Incorporate glow objects with a low opacity, perhaps around 20 to 30%, to create soft, ambient light effects. This contrast between light and shadow will make your blocks truly pop and appear three-dimensional. To refine your realistic blocks, experiment with various blending modes to achieve unique visual effects. Consider using the move trigger for subtle animations, like a slight parallax scroll, adding dynamic flair. Always observe real-world textures, shadows, and lighting for inspiration. This will greatly inform your design choices. Practice consistently, and you'll soon master the art of creating incredibly realistic and immersive blocks in your levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.